Hey guys, it's Yvette. I am sitting here in my sewing space and I'm getting ready to leave tomorrow to go on a Judy Niemeyer sewing retreat. And I know that there are a lot of you who know that I am pursuing becoming a certified instructor for Judy Niemeyer. And so I thought that what I would do during this week is share with you guys my experiences there so that you can kind of get an idea of what happens when you go to a Judy Niemeyer retreat. And so to start that off, I am sitting here today. I'm sort of doing a little bit of preparing before I go. And today, as I pack to go, I will go over all of the things that they're saying that I need to have, and I'm just going to make sure that you get the full experience as I experience it. So I'm a little excited, still kind of hard to believe that I'm leaving tomorrow to go, and it is in Montana. It is in a little town called Kalispell. I will be flying into Missoula, I think, and then driving over. And yeah, so keep watching all this week. I may go live if I can. It really depends. From what I understand, a lot of what's going on is going to be just action-packed. Hopefully there will be, and I'm assuming there is, going to be quite a bit of time for us just to sit and sew. So some of that time I will perhaps just sit, record myself sewing, and then load that up for you guys with like a little musical accompaniment. And I guess a lot of that also will depend on whether they're open to me doing some videoing, as long as it's, you know, perhaps just of myself and not, you know, I'm sure that all those ladies there don't care to be put up on YouTube. So as long as I am allowed to do that, I will. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm going to be posting up stuff. I'm not sure exactly how much I'm going to be able to do. Hopefully I'll also be able to go outside because, I mean, and record outside, because it's, I've never been to Montana, but I've heard it's gorgeous out there. And so hopefully during breaks and stuff like that, I'll be able to share some of that with you. So stay tuned. I'm also going to be recording today all of my getting ready. So it's coming. It's going to be all in this video, so you won't have to wait that long. It's okay. Okay, we're having a snow squall. I don't know why I'm out here, just to show y'all. I'm not going to be out here for very long. Happy Saturday. Okay, y'all are not going to believe this, but little sweetie came in the house. Little sweetie. Hi. That's not her. That's not her. That's Jellybean. Hold on. Let me try to see where she's going. She's not really happy being in here. She's not sure. I don't know. She might be under the table. I don't know where she went. Holy cow. I don't know where she is. Jellybean. Where'd little sweetie go, bud? Where'd little sweetie go? Hold on, we're gonna find her. Maybe. I turned on the fireplace for her. But I don't, oh, there she is. Hey, little sweetie. Hold on. Hi. That's Smudgy. There she is right there. Hey, little sweetie. I know, baby. I'm going to let you go back outside, but it's a snow squall. Yeah, it's a snow squall right now. I did not force her to come in. She came in on her own. And I'm going to let her go back out once it's not a snow squall anymore, because I know she doesn't want to be an inside cat. I can tell. And the kids are doing okay with her. What you think, Smudgy? What you think, buddy? This your friend who always eats outside. First thing she did was go to bowl food and ate some food. And then she's walking around. I think she's a little nervous. It's okay, you can be nervous. I understand. All right, more on this later to see how this goes. Hi, honey. Hello. See, everybody's okay with her. This is Jellybean. Okay, Scout, he's not happy. No, Scout's not happy. Scout is like, who is this intruder? Even though he knows who she is. They smell each other like every night whenever she comes for dinner, and then in the morning when she comes for brekkie. He knows who she is. Hey, Scout. Come see, sweetheart. It's okay, baby. Hey, guys. It's me. I'm down in my basement. Before I can get ready or start packing for Judy Niemeyer retreat that I'm flying to tomorrow, I am finishing up some orders that came in, and so that's what I'm going to be doing now. And I just wanted to get those done so that they can go out, and everything after, well, starting now, if I get any orders, they're going to be delayed a bit. So here we go. Hey y'all. Alright, at this point, I don't even know if I'm going to get this video posted tonight because it is 10:45 and I have not even started packing yet. Which means I'm not going to record all of that. I know I told y'all I would. I am so sorry, but if I take the time to make the video, I'm never going to get packed. But I thought I would come on real quick and I'll tell you the things that they want us to bring. Now, I am renting a sewing machine while I'm there. This is everything that they have on the list. I don't know that I'm actually bringing all of it, but this is what they have on the list. They have a personal list that consists of house robe, slippers, earplugs, sweater, evening jacket, shampoo, hair supplies, hand lotions, medication, toothpaste, and toothbrush. They will supply us with hand soap. If you have allergies to perfumes, you may want to bring your own hand soap. Hair dryer, a favorite pillow, clothing. It says in parentheses, you probably thought about this. It says that they do have wireless access available and they have laundry facilities available, but they want you to bring your own laundry soap. General supply list. Fabric and pattern, steam iron. They have steam irons in the classroom, but if you want to have a little small one at your space, you can bring a little one. A small size cutting board. They are going to have 18 by 24 inch mats for each table, and they'll have several larger cutting mats, but if you want to use anything smaller, bring it with you. 6 by 24 ruler, 6 by 12 ruler, any smaller rulers you might want, small scissors, rotary cutters, replacement blades. You can purchase replacement blades if you need them there. Seam ripper, template plastic. You will need template plastic to make your fold templates. I will have sheets available for $2.50 per sheet. I don't know what that means, but okay. I mean, I can guess what it means, but a sewing machine, unless you're renting one, because I am. We provide all the necessary feet and extra bobbins, but if you want to bring your extra thread with you, you can bring your own bobbins. I'm telling you that Spooky Scout is trying to get in this room. He can open all the doors in the house, no matter which way they go. Can you see the door handle turning? Oh, I don't see it right now. Okay. But if the door opens, it's Spooky Scout. Let's see. Sewing needles. I hope he does it so y'all can see. Know that I'm not nutballs over here. 12-inch add a quarter ruler, and it says 18-inch. I've never even seen an 18-inch add a quarter ruler, but anyway. Scotch tape, Yoo-hoo wash out fabric glue stick, flower pins, large Ziploc bags, small Ziploc bags, stapler, purple thing, high quality cotton thread, paper clips and small binder clips, glue pins, yeah, and my entire quilt, everything for them is all mixed up in that room still, and I need to cut more fabric, and I have got so much to do. So this is what I'm going to be doing, and eventually you will see this video. I will be making more videos along the way. And whoever was at the door has now given up. So bummer pie, now y'all can't see him open the door. But I will see you guys later. I'm going to share everything I can with you. So follow along.